finally launched its new ultra sleek design phone under F series in India called Oppo F17 Pro. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo F17 Pro features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.67% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P95 chipset paired with PowerVR GM9446 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that can be further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Oppo F17 Pro supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a square module that includes 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119° field of view plus 2MP depth and 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it also supports Ultra Steady Mode feature for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has dual 16+2MP camera under the pill-shaped hole punch at the top left corner. On the software front, the device runs on Android 10 with ColorOS 7.2 skin on top, and it houses 4000 mAh battery with 30 watts hook flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.14 by 73.77 by 7.48mm, and it weighs around 164 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo F17 Pro has been priced in India at 22,990 Indian rupees. And it is now available for pre-orders in the country in Magic Black, Magic Blue and Metallic White color options. And it will go on sale starting from September 7th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo F17 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.